If you're having issues with your transmission system and you have hard shifts, the vehicle is in limp mode, lost communication with TCM, and you have codes such as the U0101, U01100, and P0700 faulty computer module, P2669 computer circuit issue, this all points to a faulty transmission computer module, TCM. If your truck is equipped with the Allison A50 T14 TCM, the location is found directly mounted to the radiator fan shroud on the driver's side. We're going to use the plastic trim remover tool as well as a small flathead screwdriver to remove the TCM. Before removing or reinstalling the TCM, we highly recommend that you disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and you'll see the plastic fastener at the very top. On some trucks, the configuration is a TCM mounted horizontally. On this version, it's mounted vertically with the harness plug on the bottom. On other versions, the harness plug could be on this side here towards the driver's side of the radiator fan shroud. And you can use a plastic trim remover, loosen this up, and you'll see the pin come out, and you can use a screwdriver and like so, and pry that TCM out of that socket. And now the TCM has been removed. Once you remove the plastic fastener, you'll see a red plastic tab that's locking this harness plug. You can use a flathead screwdriver to push it up, and then you'll see these two pressed plastic pins. Simultaneously press those down, and this will disengage this locking arm. And you want to be mindful there are 4 tabs on each side of the TCM. They can break if there's a lot of dirt, debris, and it gets stuck. So this, when you're pushing this arm this way, you'll see the TCM slowly disengage from the harness plug. And I usually use a one corner here on the smooth corner of the TCM, back and forth. And that's the TCM removed from the Allison transmission system. Once you received your refurbished TCM back from us, this is the refurbished TCM. To simply reinstall, again on this harness plug and on the TCM, there's only one corner that has a smooth edge, and you would put it in this way. Be mindful of those tabs that are on the TCM. Make sure it's fully secure, and the locking arm on the harness plug should push that plug securely against the TCM. And you'll hear a click, and if this red tab is not pushed down already, then go ahead and push that red tab down, and now you can secure the TCM back onto the radiator fan shroud, like so.